Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today's video is about maize or corn or baby corn. I know this corn is available throughout the world. I think except few countries they don't grow their own corns. But otherwise this corn is available throughout the world. And most of the people even use these baby corns in the form of soup, or sometimes they store these baby corns and later they use in some other season like in winters. So today I thought I should put some Ayurveda perspective of when to have corns, and in Ayurveda how we use corns and how we use this maize. In our mountain language it is called challi. So we have different names for these corns at different places. The good thing about these corns, or in Hindi it is also called makka. So the good thing about these corns is they are very rich in potassium, they have very rich in vitamin B and very rich source of vitamin K, minerals and various kind of flavonoids. Also little bit amount of zinc and phosphorus, which is very beneficial for health. The good thing about these corns is it is very beneficial in hypertension, like those people who have blood pressures. For them this corn soup is very beneficial. Also the people who have cardiac problems or even diabetes, for them also these corns are very beneficial. For diabetes, not baby corns but the full corn, like fully grown corn which has low sugar levels and great fiber. So these things are very so this is very beneficial even for diabetes, and mostly it is extremely beneficial for the people who have excess weight problem or obesity. And if you want to shut down your weight, corn is your food. And how you can use it? You can also use it in the form of flour. There is a corn chapati or corn bread which we make. It's very little bit tricky to make, but once you bake this corn bread, it is also very beneficial for losing weight because it contains a lot of fiber and low calories. So it is very beneficial for the people who want to lose weight, and at the same time it is highly nutritious, and because it has excessive fiber content, so it is very helpful to make your digestive system better. Like many times you must have seen like these things happen, like UTI is happening again and again, but yes, best thing you need to go to nephrologist and check what is the reason for having recurrent UTIs. But if you see like there is no specific cause why it is happening, if nephrologist says total natural, maybe you have weak immune system, maybe you have these problems because kidney looks very healthy and very clear, but still you are very prone to urinary tract infection, then for them these baby corns, it is very beneficial because it is very diuretic in nature, especially the brown thing that this maize has, you know, there are hair kind of thing is there on the top. So these are used for making a specific decoction in Ayurveda which is very diuretic in nature, and it is very beneficial in such cases. But yes, you need not to use it in excess, because if you use it in excess, it is also not so good. You should not use the quantity of it more than 40 ml of these brown thing tea. You can make use of it, and you can make your kidneys healthy by using it. But yes, you need to drink it for 3 days, then take a break. Then if everything goes well, it's fine. And if again you find like you again getting urinary tract infection, then next few 3-4 days you drink and then take a break, but don't take continuously for many days. Because continuously you can take for many days only after Ayurveda doctor recommendation. But if you are just taking for health purpose, just as precautionary purpose, then you need to take only for 3 days, because when you are taking for long time like 40 days, many other factors need to take in consideration. So for that you need a proper consultation from Ayurveda physician, so that he can check your other aspects also, like your digestive fire, your cardiac health, your present state of illness, your past state of illness, and much more. So many other things that come into consideration when you are using it as a treatment, for specific treatment for your kidney problems. Many times it also been seen sometimes people have renal calculi, and this stone, if the stone is not so big, like it is less than 5 mm of its diameter, then by using this decoction, this stone can be easily moved out from the kidney. It easily can be flushed out from the kidney. But yes, please don't go for self medication. Always consult some doctor or physician, because it also depends. It is not only the stone in the kidney. It also depends, like stone is in the upper pole of the kidney or lower pole of the kidney. So there are many other factors that need to be taken in consideration before doing any these kind of treatments. But I am just telling you this for your information, like if somebody has these problems, it can be solved by using these simple natural ways. Like using Ayurveda decoctions and various kind of Ayurveda medicines, but that doesn't mean like you just start using self medication, because that would not be so good thing to do. In addition to that, you can also use these small baby corns in the form of soup. It is very nutritious, but at the same time I would like to mention when you need to use it. Many times we feel excessive weakness in the body, like excessive weakness, what it is called fatigue. So if you are also feeling excessive fatigue, the baby corn soup is a very best option. Why? Because our muscles feel fatigue when we have low level of glycogen. So good thing is it is very rich in glycogen, this baby corn, and when we are taking this soup of this baby corns, it is very fulfilling, and it will help to remove all the fatigue from the system, and suddenly you will feel very active and very full of energy to do things. So in this way also you can use it. So let's try to see little more Ayurveda aspect of the corns. So in Ayurveda, corns are being used to reduce the kapha dosha or excessive water in the system or in the body. As we know, in India, corns grows during rainy season, and they will be available during autumn to eat. Like they will be ready, these corns will be ready when little bit early start of the winter. The reason behind that is when we have excessive rainy season, especially in India, a lot of water, the water level in the body also increase, like water level everywhere in the nature increase. So in the body also this water level increase. That's why our nature grows these corns, maize or makki, because nature knows best what is needed, and these corns contains a lot of fiber, and especially when we make popcorns out of it. So because you know how we roast it and it becomes into popcorn. So these popcorns can be used as a good snack. Just if somebody has a habit of snacking, it is a very good snack. At the same time, it provides a lot of fiber to your system, and also it's very helpful in lowering down your weight. If you want to lose weight, it is very beneficial that you include maize in your diet, but only in autumn season, like in the season when rains stop and very early beginning of winter happens. So that is the best time to have maize. Because it is not like if you start having maize in summer season, or like these days these polyhouse maizes are there, they are not so beneficial. When you need to eat it, when we have its season, like when nature wants to give this maize to us or this corns to us. So that is the time that when you should eat this maize, because this circle of nature, the natural circle that is there, and the circle of nature that is there within the body, like in these days there will be excess water in the system. That means kapha dosh will be enhanced. So when you are taking maize in this season, it will absorb all the excess water from the system and reduces your kapha dosha. And when it reduces your kapha dosha, naturally your weight will start decreasing, because all the weight gain, whatever weight gain we have, most of the times it is because of excess kapha dosha. So this maize is very beneficial in reducing your weight, and the best season to eat this maize is early winter. You need not to eat it in the summer, but in early winter, that is the best time to eat maize and make your health better, so that you will become totally fit. At the same time, these corns are very beneficial for hypertension or blood pressure patients, Because these corns contain enough amount of potassium. But that doesn't mean you start eating just corns 3 times a day. Just sometimes you eat one big corn, it is very beneficial for you. Include it in your diet. And it is very rich in fiber, so it will not stuck in your digestion, it will not block your digestion, it will just flush out very easily. But at the same time, it takes little bit time to digest because more fiber, so it takes more time to digest. In addition to that, like for blood pressure patients, because it contains enough amount of potassium, so it naturally acts as a natural diuretic. And when it acts as a natural diuretic, definitely it will lower down your blood pressure. So all the blood pressure patients can also have these corns. It is very beneficial for you. The fully grown corn, it is very beneficial for you. At the same time, if you want to use for UTI, like I mentioned earlier, for urinary tract infection, the specific medicine of these brown hair that corn has, regarding that you please consult first Ayurveda physician or doctor, or even you can consult me, and only after that you can have it, because there are many other factors that we need to take in consideration. But this the corn seeds, like these corn beads, everybody can eat, and it is very beneficial. But make sure you roast it properly, because otherwise how will you eat it, na? Because otherwise the people eat only this baby corn, but this fully grown corn you need to roast it properly. And how to roast it, you just put on fire, and I think people know how to roast it. Then you need to just hold this corn, or put a stand on which you need to put this corn for some time, 5 to 10 minutes, and then rotate, and then rotate, and then rotate, and ultimately the corn get roasted. Or other ways, like you can also use it as in a popcorn form, and even popcorn form you can use even in late winters. You can save the corn seeds, like these beads are there. You can remove these corn seeds from the corn and you protect it, you just preserve it. And even in winters you can make anytime popcorns and put little bit of pepper, salt, and you can use it. It's very good for health, and it is very good for taste. At the same time, it is very beneficial for losing weight. But at the same time, when you are purchasing corn from the market, it also becomes very important. The corn that you are taking, it should not be hybrid. I mean, it should be organic, and it should not contain any kind of fertilizers and these kind of sprays. Then it will lose its qualities. Then it is not so beneficial as I am describing, because the actual benefit you can get only if you are eating organic corns. So find out some farmer who is not using so much sprays, and who is doing organic farming. So that kind of corn is beneficial for you, and all the benefits that I am telling you regarding these brown hair for UTI and all these things, it is only for the corns who are organically grown, and it is not for the corns who are it contains a lot of pesticides and insecticides, and so those corns will not be beneficial for health. Because these days popcorns are in great demand in the market. So most of the farmers, they are doing inorganic corn, they are doing a lot of sprays, and to protect their corn fields, and because there is a lot of demand of popcorns, but those popcorns of these kind of corns, they are not so healthy. Only the popcorns that are from organically grown corns or maize, only those are healthy and nutritious, and they have all these Ayurveda benefits. And many times we have seen after rainy season, we have this having this crazy crunchy feeling, like we have a craving for some crunchy food, especially when rainy season stops. So this naturally it happens because body knows they have excessive water or kapha dosha in the body, that's give the feeling of excessive these cravings for some crunchy food. So at that time these popcorns and these maize are a very good option. This roasted maize is very beneficial, and this baby corn soup, it is highly nutritious, but yes, it is not indicated for it is not advisable for sugar patients, because it contains a lot of sugar, a lot of fructose, a lot of sucrose, so it is not so beneficial for sugar patients. But this whole big corn, even popcorns, so even sugar patients can eat it, because it's roasted, it has nothing, it has only fiber. So that's all about corns. If you have any question regarding corn, and then you can ask me anytime. And also for the body types, for which body types corns suits the best. For kapha body type, corns are very beneficial, and after that vata body types, corns are very beneficial, and then pitta body type. So kapha people can eat more, vata lesser than that, and pitta more lesser than this. So this is how you need to eat corns. If you are watching me for the first time and you don't know what are body types, so there is a link below how to about dosha series. There is a video. You just go through the video and you write down the answers of various questions that I am asking regarding body type, and then I will let you know what is your body type, and that would be good for you. And thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then please share it with your friends. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Please keep writing questions if you have any question. I would love to answer your questions. Till then, take care. Bye.